Hello everyone, this is Tisha and I just wanted to share with you what I purchased from the Fix website on the July 4th sale that they had. They had a 25% off their Fix items, and so I just wanted to share them with you. And I just received this today. I bought it July 4th, so today is, what is it now? July 8th. So it took 4 days for it to get here, but I have not opened it yet, so I'm going to share it with you guys, and we're all gonna see this together. Okay. I don't know why it is taped the way it is. It's hard to open. So anyway, I work in a facility where they always, well, I work in a department where they always have to keep the temperature cool. So although it's summer, I still feel like, I need some jacket or something when I'm at work. And so that prompted me to buy this. And obviously, if you're gonna refer back from a previous video, you will know that I am fond of figs. So anyway, just you can see right now, I am wearing a Catarina one pocket scrub top, and I'm wearing a Cade's in petite. Oh my goodness, this is like so hard to open. Alrighty, so I thought I am going to buy something. I'm going to buy something to, when I get cold at work. So I bought this, what is it called? Bellery scrub jacket. And this is in small. And this is what it looks like. Maybe I should try it on, huh? Okay, let's see what it looks like when I try it on. This is a size small, but it kind of looks big. But we will see how it fits once it's on. Well, it's not that big. I think I'm going to move this chair for a little bit. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, so that's what it looks like once you have it. You zip it, and then you have this slits on the side. I guess that makes you move much freer. And the back is a little bit longer, so it kind of hides your back. And it has this big pockets where you can put a lot of stuff in, and then you also have a couple of side pockets. So a lot of people wrote that it runs small in the reviews, but I mean it runs big in the reviews, but I think it's just about right. It has room for movement. It has pockets here on the side, I guess for your pen or something, and that's all the pockets there is. But I think it is very cute, wherein it has the same material as the fig scrubs, so I think this will be of use to me at work. I don't know that I really like the back though, because it looks like it is very long, but who knows, maybe when you wash it, it'll shrink a little bit. So I got a couple of this, and I bought this for, okay, let us see. Well, it does not say the price anymore, but I think it's like $88 or something. And then I got it for, is it really $88? I'm not sure now, but I got it for 25% off. So I bought a couple of them. Oh, look at that. It also has like an inspection date. That is cool. This one says 7/3. This one says 7/2. Oh, okay. So I guess they inspected that before. Okay, so you can tell that I like figs so much that I bought another cut. This is a Catarina one pocket top. This is the one that I'm wearing right now. And then I have the Kade petite cargo pants to go with it. And it's the same thing that I'm wearing. But just looking at this right now, I'm liking the jacket. So this is the Bellery scrub jacket in navy, and this is a size small. Okay, so I know it's still summer, but fall will be coming, and then winter time, and I will have something to use. And that's all. So hopefully guys this helps you, and that's it. Bye.